Chhimtuipuiah kan kal dona hey motor lah hian. This is a fucking cousin, man.
All them peeps on the set who be willing to twist. We hit them with a line one time for showbiz. We blessing the scenario, fronting on the remix. Ace Man and Ellie, we drop it like this.
Rest house veilam motor kong metal lo hian kan ko thenom road lang isa khua tin athlang lam pangat lang kong hi kan kalatur Chhimtuipui kalkong chunia ke kalangaya tin khilaya tlang cham duai ki lungtian te tin chengral te nia khimitlang le kan kho tlang in kara ta ken Chhimtuipui chu luang ani helai hian hei kan kho siamani hel iwa bak ramtikang su thì đậu khét này rắm thì càng su thì đậu mấy ôm hay cảm ơn áo pa thì can xuống nghe cần thanh đón này khu Chhimtuipui Mizoram mà lùi liền bè thì là kan sei sual lawang alien khop maya thalai nia amai ro chu alien khop mai chung po khuan longin en da kai thina speed boat le hai small boat longleng kan teng chi khaw ma kan theng trap meron la tu tur speed boat antia longleng kha men la tu tur ron phei meka ron theng chia kan lom khop mai kan lom yo cần luôn toàn chi ai cả lâu đi nung làm phải hian lịch phol tại hian article nấu bằng mấy chia bùi trinh tuy liệu hiên thiểm em mà tiền lồng khẩu tại bên thiểm em mà nè speedboat thì mò mình chơi mò thằng quần lao mềm speedboat mình chơi speedboat thằng quần nó xuống nó mềm ôm mấy thầy mau cần mấy lâu na thì hiện lồng len hi ăn thung thuyền draw chết ta hey cái này lồng thấy chú liền khốp mày hey nó vào lồng cái chú nó vào lồng cái chú tiệt chia lồng mà sẽ alien khop mai mi hring tam takan legang ti arinoma hei chu longleng ka tiang tak tak khania buk te po buk na sat arinoma he ta ti hian thunga chuan hei hala ba po he tiang tiat tho alet pheng phunga helai sangha len khang an ti kher tiang hi chu part ek oma part ek po ok theu mai ni part ek hi algae kan ti tho ka ma in green algae kan ti khan ya hey atam khop mai na kena chip chiar zokin kan focus tu rangai la light timber chartin ho mun than thana khilomi nge an zai helama men zai kan phelawa amar chu long mang hian ti han trip kha thingte long hi tuipuiah chon mang tang kai em ani khua kan lut chi an le lo po wa chuanom takani bik lawa tin khosak po har don ti a hriat rang mai cho khoi lawa nge sang kal don hey so ate chu hey hela hi kan thian pa ate ya ka te lai ga zui ber hey kan ro kal do mai kan kal don a bitcha your turn. Come on, backflip. Nice.
And we have a guest here. What's your name? Eddie. They call you Eddie. You are from? France. She's from France, and this one is her husband, isn't it? Yeah. Husband. Helai hian adventure. Tai pin di khan helai Chhimtuipuiah. Holiday. Anlo manga ni hi hian khilai Chhimtuipuiah ate kan thian te ina anin ngata amai ro chu sap trong emo friends trong emo han biak tur an nei lem lawan kho har khop maya an khua har khop maya 31st January a hian an visa atop don ni in an soya hei no pang te thla te han lak saka chuan hela hian balu oma hemi balu hi in saknan te an pang kai khop maya khulam panga longin an phur tha longleng le speedboat in an phur tha chu motorin marbodin alola in saknan te sum don nan te an mang thina ni tin khi lai kan mu khi longleng ania athai chi kha longpu ania longpu ti deu mai la chung ho chuan sangha manin yan jong thina ni sangha alo puanin lenin an man thina tin dam doi han fry emo chilai han fry te khatianga chin phal lawang chi kha an mani len man hian khap deu ta pa an rel bol na po a thok mai May you introduce your name and where do you come from?
Hello, my name is Eddie and I come from France.
An mani he France Atanga ron kalania he Chhimtuipui lai mun he Chhimtuipui ania hian angani holiday. You spend your holiday right like kinds of adventure. They spend their holiday here. Can you communicate with the villager or? It's a little bit difficult to communicate with each other.
I'm slowly learning Mizo language, Mizoram.
Yeah, Mizoram. Oh yeah, you are studying the Mizoram. Yeah, Mizoram he azir tan ani. And do you have any children? You don't come and brought your children?
No, we don't have any children.
You don't have, or you don't want to have, or like that.
No, we don't want to have children.
Yeah, that's good in sport also, because you are strong. I have seen your swimming down there. Before, do you practice like any sport discipline? It may be basketball, it may be volleyball like that. You used to practice during your college time or your school time?
During my school time, I used to practice volleyball and dancing.
Dancing? Yeah. You used to dance? What kinds of dance? It is tango or like?
No, it's dancehall. It's like
just
Caribbean dance.
Your husband is laughing. Then do you graduate?
Yeah, I studied 3 years in university.
In university, 3 years university.
Yeah.
University, that is a master degree or?
It's a license. In France, it's license degree.
License degree?
Yeah.
What kinds of license?
It was literature.
Literature,
yeah.
So you are very good in literature, I think.
Yeah, a little bit of everything. And science also.
Do you used to compose a poetry or like a poem like that?
No.
You used to sing?
10 years ago.
10 years ago, you were in the same locality or in different areas?
We work together.
You work together?
Yeah, we used to work together.
Friends, and then there's some love chemistry.
We had a crush at the time. We have no
idea.
No schedule. We are leaving India the 31st of January from Guwahati.
31st January?
Yeah, 31st January we are leaving India from Guwahati. So we need to go there. It means like we have our motorbike in Tupui. So first we go back to Tupui and then we ride all the way to Guwahati, but we have to go to Manipur, to some other place. So we don't know yet. Maybe around the 10th or 7th.
Because you have told me about the visa. The visa will last till the 31st January. Is it right?
No, a little bit longer, but we already have our flight ticket for
it. Flight ticket for that. You already booked.
Because we have to work from the beginning of February. We go back once for work.
And we are gonna leave right now to the nearby village. And thank you for your time.
Thank you for coming.
Handshake, you have to call it.